Do you want to be smarter every single day? Not just for exams, not just for work, but for life. The truth is, being smart is not about talent. It's not about luck. It's about habits. Simple, daily habits, repeated with discipline. The world's top minds, the most creative thinkers, and the most successful people share one thing in common. They master their habits. And today, you're going to learn 7 powerful daily habits that can rewire your brain, sharpen your focus, and make you smarter every single day. Read every day. Knowledge compounds like interest. Just 20 minutes of reading daily exposes your mind to new ideas, fresh perspectives, and timeless wisdom. Think about it. If you read for 20 minutes every day, that's more than 30 books a year. 30 books of experience, stories, lessons, and wisdom poured into your mind. Books are like time machines, letting you learn from the mistakes and victories of people who lived hundreds of years before you. The smartest people in history were readers. So ask yourself, what's your excuse? Write down your thoughts. Journaling is not about writing perfect sentences. It's about clarity. When your thoughts are trapped in your head, they're messy, heavy, and confusing. But when you write them down, they become clear, structured, and manageable. Writing every day sharpens memory. It helps you learn faster, think deeper, and express yourself better. The sharpest lines keep journals not to remember the past, but to design the future. Always be learning. Smart people never stop being students. It could be a new language, a musical instrument, a digital skill, or even cooking. Every time you learn something new, your brain forms fresh connections. It grows stronger, faster, and more adaptable. In a world that's constantly changing, the ability to learn quickly is more valuable than any degree. So, invest in yourself, because the smartest investment you'll ever make is in your own brain. Spend time in silence. The world is loud, phones buzzing, notifications ringing, noise everywhere. But the mind grows sharper in stillness. 10 minutes of meditation every morning can calm your nerves, reduce stress, and train your focus. When your mind is calm, your decisions are wiser. When your thoughts are clear, your ideas are stronger. Silence is not empty. It's full of answers. Move your body. Exercise is not just for muscles, it's fuel for the brain. When you move, your blood flows faster, carrying oxygen and nutrients that recharge your mind. Studies prove that just 30 minutes of walking can boost memory, sharpen focus, and improve creativity. A strong body builds a strong brain. So the question is, will you sit still or will you move towards a sharper mind? Guard your attention. Your focus is your most valuable currency. But every day, social media, endless scrolling, and useless notifications steal it from you. Distraction is the enemy of intelligence. The smartest people are not the busiest. They are the most focused. Delete what wastes your time, reduce what steals your energy, and watch your productivity, memory, and intelligence rise to levels you never imagined. Teach what you learn. When you share knowledge, you don't lose it, you multiply it. Explaining an idea forces your brain to organize, simplify, and deepen your understanding. The more you teach, the smarter you become. Think about it. Every great teacher, every mentor, every leader didn't just learn, they shared. Wisdom grows when it's given away. So don't keep your knowledge hidden, spread it, because the highest form of learning is teaching. Being smart is not a gift. It's not given at birth. It's built every single day. Through small habits, through discipline, through focus. Read, write, learn, meditate, move, guard your focus, share your knowledge. Do these 7 things daily and your future self will thank you. Remember, small habits create great minds. So start today, because your smartest self is waiting. Smarter every day. Habits not luck.